Good morning, everyone. We are Group 17. Today, we will talk about mixed lymphocyte reactions, or MLR. This is a very important test in immunology to check if two people's cells match each other. First, let me explain the definition of MLR. Basically, we mix white blood cells from a donor and a recipient in a dish. This is called co-incubation. When the cells meet, they recognize each other as foreign or different. They become active and change shape. Then, the cells release chemicals like IL-2. This causes them to divide and grow rapidly. MLR measures this growth reaction. Next, let's look at the mechanism. There are two types of MLR formats. On the left is the two-way MLR. In this type, both donor and recipient cells react to each other. On the right is the one-way MLR. Here, we treat one side with radiation so it cannot grow. This lets us measure the reaction of only the responder cells clearly. Why does this reaction happen? The core mechanism is called allorecognition. T cells check the MHC on the other cells. If the MHC looks different from their own, the T cells start to attack. Let's look deeper into how this recognition happens. There are two pathways. On the left is direct recognition. Here, the responder T cell directly connects to the foreign MHC on the donor cell. It recognizes the foreign cell immediately. On the right is indirect recognition. This is different. The recipient's own cell, called the self-APC, picks up broken pieces of foreign cell. It presents these small fragments to the T cell. In both cases, the result is the same. The T cell gets a signal to attack. Because of this recognition, the T cells wake up from a resting state. They become active, release cytokines, and multiply very fast. This rapid growth, or proliferation, is the main event we measure in this test. Now, let's move on to applications. How do we use MLR? The first use is for organ transplantation. Doctors use MLR to check the compatibility between a patient and the donor. This helps prevent rejection and a serious condition called GVHD. Application 2. This one is drug screening. Researchers use MMR to test new medicines. They can see if a drug reduces immune activity or increases it. It is a gold standard tool for developing new drugs. In conclusion, MLR covers everything from basic cell interaction to real medicine treatments. It is essential tool for transplantations, drug development, and understanding our immune system. Thank you very much for listening.